friends, welcome back again to my channel. I am Victoria, a local real estate professional here in North and South Carolina. Before we even begin with the home tour for today, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And also please hit that red subscribe button. What this does, it allows more people to find out about the Charlotte area with ease. Today we are in Fort Mill, South Carolina, which is located right on the border of North and South Carolina. We are in a community built by Classica Home, who actually won Charlotte Home Builder of the Year. This floor plan behind me here is called the Tiburon. It is a very, very beautiful floor plan, ranging a little over that 4,100 square feet, has 4 bedrooms, and all the bedrooms are ensuite. And it has a 3-car tandem garage. So guys, come along with me. Let's check it out together. As we enter, one thing I want to draw your attention to is the style of door. How beautiful is that? That's not very common, right, with a lot of builders here. So let's go over here. So this is kind of like an intimate study, which is very, very neat. You know, if you wanted to make this area more of a guest suite, you have the option of doing that. But right now the builder has just divided it into kind of like 2 separate studies. For a lot of us, you know, you may not necessarily need to share an office space with your spouse. So right across the hall, you guys would still have your offices and you would still be in close proximity to one another. Let's go down the hallway here. So we are entering into our powder room or half bathroom down here. If you made this area a guest suite, this would become an ensuite guest room, and then you would just be left with 1 study rather than 2 studies. This has actually been upgraded to give you an idea of what this would look like for a guest suite. So it has the walk-in shower here. And we have our standard sink and toilet combo there. All right. And something I really, really like, this is actually a really cute feature. You know, any space in a home, guys, it's really left to your creativity. As you can see here, they have kind of like a mini bar setup. What would you do in that space? If it was me, I may do like a building desk, you know, for the kids or something like that, so they can have a place to do their homework. Let's go in here. So here we are, we have our living space area here, and you can probably hear the music on the TV there, you know, model home purposes. They love to keep the entertainment going here for guests. And that's something that, you know, Classica is really, really big on. They're big on the flow of the home. They want to build a home where you can easily entertain people. So this home, it allows you the functionality to do that. So let's go right over here. We have our dining room here. I really, really like the placement of it right in the middle of the room. And we have this little bump out area here. So if you chose not to do this, as you see here, your wall would just, you know, like kind of end right here. But this is a very nice addition and feature here with Classica Homes. Let's move on down over here into the kitchen area. Guys, take a look at this island. How lovely is this island? So as pictured here, this island can sit. It depends if you want another chair there. It could comfortably sit 6. And something that I really, really like is this centralized sink here on the island. I'm a sucker for, like, you know, centralized sinks and sinks in the island. I know many of you do not like that. Let me know in the comment section, what do you prefer? And then I really, really love the cabinetry here, the choice of vent hood. This is what they would call a deluxe kitchen, just because of the way everything is kind of laid out here. A standard kitchen would have an actual, you know, like oven and stove combo here. And we are just gonna move right over here. I really, really love these cabinets. Like with Classica Homes, I feel like cabinets are just, you never run out of cabinets. You know what I mean? Because a lot of builders will give you like maybe a couple or here and there. but with Classica, like you never run out of cabinets. And another feature that I really like is the fact that the cabinets are all the way up to the wall. You know, it really just depends on preference, but I've had a lot of clients say that they prefer it all the way, and they really just hate seeing, you know, like the gap between the cabinet and the ceiling. So this would be an excellent thing for you here if you chose to build with Classica. And of course, let's kind of go right down here. So this is gonna be more of, I guess, a little nook or transition area to the home. Right over here to our right, we have our pantry. And guys, the shelving that you see here in the pantry, you can actually get it like this. This is an option with Classica to get this, to choose this type of shelving here. And then we're gonna move over here into the mud room area. So this here is our 3-car garage. We can take a look at it together. So this is what I refer to as the tandem area. So the tandem area of the garage, it just goes a little bit further in, just so you can park 2 cars in a straight line right there. And we're back from the garage and mudroom area into the kitchen here. And I really love this pantry style cabinets here. This is becoming very popular here in the Carolinas. I'm seeing a lot of builders do that. Okay, we're gonna step out here. Imagine you're entertaining guests, or maybe it's just a quiet afternoon, right? You're with your loved ones and you're just hanging out. Look at this outside fireplace area. How beautiful is that? Doesn't this just remind you of like, you know, if some of you have been to kind of like the Napa Valley area, this really gives me that Napa Valley feel. You know, just sitting outside, enjoying your nice glass of wine and just taking in the sunshine. Okay, let me take you guys upstairs so you can see the rest of the home. Talk about natural light up here. Can you guys count how many windows there are here? Endless. I really love windows, and I'm a sucker for natural light and windows. As you probably know if you've been following this channel for a while. We came upstairs to the loft space here, and I'm just gonna let you guys kind of take a look around and, you know, to get a feel of the space for itself. Standard with, you know, like any Classica home, you will get the loft space, but if bedroom was a priority to you, you can actually convert this loft space into a bedroom of its own. And of course, you can further upgrade it to have its own ensuite bathroom if you so decided to. To my right, this is actually a very neat room in that it's designed to be a closet or like a storage space. How lovely is that? I've seen only about, I want to say, 1 other builder designate a room just for storage, and this is actually very neat. This room doesn't have to be storage. You can use it as a flexibility room. Like, the options of what you can do here, it's really just left up to you. Okay, let's go over here. So let's start with the owner suite here. We have our beautiful owner suite. I really love the oversized tray ceiling in here. And something, guys, that I want you to keep in mind of, the casings and the style of windows and even the trims on the doors, those come standard with Classica. So I don't want you to think that, like, you know, if you were to get a Classica home, that you would have to come in and make those separate additions. Those already come standard. Even the no carpet on the staircase, that already comes standard with Classica, which is one of the reasons why they truly are one of my favorite builders in this area. Let's check out this bathroom and closet space. So I really love this detached bath. You know, it's just kind of like on its own, separate from the shower and right in the middle of the bathroom. I really love that. That is such a cool design feature. And we have our separated double vanity sinks on either side of the bathroom here. Our enclosed water closet right over there. And how neat is it that you have kind of like a wall of windows here? So as you're soaking and enjoying, you know, you can still kind of like get a little bit of that natural light in there as well. Let's move on down here. So you have your linen closet here. You can shelf that linen closet similar to what we saw downstairs in the pantry. That's what they have in there right now. Or you can choose to do more of the traditional linen closet that you and I probably most likely have in our homes. Let's go into this, this closet space here. So this is only half of it. We haven't even gone around the corner yet, but I wanted to point your attention to this sign here, which just says stop and imagine it. So imagine if you wanted to have your laundry room kind of like connected to your owner's suite, this would be the door that would be able to do that. Right now, for model home purposes, there's nothing behind that door, but you know, if you wanted that, that's an addition you can do to your personal home, and they would just put that door there that connects out to the laundry room. And I'll show you that when we wrap around the house too. Okay, so this is the rest of the closet space here. You guys already know, if you've been following me for a while, I am a sucker for utilization of the double hang. It's just, you can just get so much more in there. Immediately here to my right, this is the first bathroom we will see upstairs here that is not the owner's bathroom. This bathroom is actually connected to the bedroom right adjacent to it, but it also serves as the hallway bathroom. You know, in case you had guests or people just sitting out here, this door connects so you don't necessarily have to go through a room to get in here. And then over here we have our linen closet. We have the standard shelving. And we have our toilet, granite countertop sinks here. And of course we have our tiled shower. A cool feature that I really like is this little built-in nook here. And as you can see, this serves as a little study. You know, like if this room belonged to like maybe someone, a kid or a student or something like that, this would be perfect place to kind of get all your homework done. A nice quiet area. And then we enter the room itself. Very nice size room. And let's take a look at this closet space here. It's a decent sized closet. All right. That was the only room without truly an ensuite bathroom. All the other rooms we're gonna see, they all have their own personal bathrooms attached. Let's check this one out. Let's take a look at this closet space here. And this ensuite bathroom features, this looks to be a quartz countertop, your standard toilet, and of course your shower or your bathtub. And all of these guys, I don't want you to think you can either do one or the other. You can mix and match. If you didn't like the garden tub or if you didn't like the bathtub there, you can actually do a walk-in shower. It's really just up to you. The same thing with the countertops. This bathroom has the quartz. The bathroom we saw previously had a granite countertop. So the choice is really left up to you. And then we look at this room itself. How nice is this? What do you guys think of the space here? Let me know in the comment section. Would you kind of, you know, use the same idea in your own personal home, or would you just leave it as a hallway? Let me know in the comments. I probably would put a couch or something, right? Like a little accent chair or something, you know, just for reading, just because of the little windows we see placed here. And then to my left here, we have the laundry room. Remember that door on the other side we spoke about? This would be where that door would come out of. And you would be able to come straight into the laundry room from your owner's suite closet. We are here into our last bedroom of this home. So this closet style is a little bit different. You know, it's more lengthy. And it has the double sliding doors. And this one has its own ensuite bath. It's been set up right now as baby's room, but you kind of get the idea. It's still a very big room on its own. Okay, my friends, there you have it. If you loved today's home tour, please go ahead and thumbs up this video, and also please hit that red subscribe button. It helps more people find out about the Carolinas and Charlotte as a whole. Let me know in the comments, as usual, what you thought about this home. What would you have changed, you know, here and there in each room? Would you keep it as is, or would you change anything in the home? I would really love to hear that in the comment section below. Remember, I am your real estate expert here in North and South Carolina. I would be more than happy to work with you and your family on your transition here to the Carolinas. I will see you guys in the next video.